Ukrainian armed forces have officially begun deploying the Bohdana-B, a newly introduced 155mm towed artillery piece, designed and manufactured within Ukraine as a cost-effective and flexible addition to its artillery fleet. This system, recently delivered to the 47th Separate Artillery Brigade, represents a strategic adaptation of the self-propelled Tu-22 Bohdana, mounted on a carriage derived from the Soviet-era Tu-36 Giatsint-B howitzer. While based on existing technology, the Bohdana-B incorporates several modern upgrades tailored for contemporary combat needs. Developed in 2023, the Bohdana-B was created in response to supply chain difficulties, particularly the shortage of foreign chassis like those provided by Czech firm Tatra. With Ukraine's ability to produce gun systems outpacing the availability of wheeled platforms, engineers opted to create a towed version that could be quickly manufactured using available resources. First unveiled publicly during a Ministry of Defense presentation in late 2024, the prototype initially lacked certain features, including armor shielding. By March 2025, the finalized model, now equipped with a protective shield, was handed over to troops after successful field testing. The Bohdana-B maintains a .52 caliber barrel length, identical to its self-propelled counterpart, and is capable of firing NATO-standard 155mm rounds. Its effective range is estimated at 40 to 42 kilometers with standard ammunition. However, due to its manual loading system and lack of onboard automation, the Bohdana-B fires at a slower rate compared to the Tu-22 Bohdana, which can deliver 5 to 6 rounds per minute. While its towed nature reduces mobility and increases setup time, it offers advantages in entrenchment and survivability against modern threats like drone surveillance and strikes. The system weighs over 10 tons and is transported by Daewoo Navis trucks, offering a balance of tactical utility and logistical simplicity. Photos shared by the brigade show the weapon in live-fire drills, reinforcing its operational status. Despite being less agile than self-propelled systems, the Bohdana-B is seen as an ideal interim solution, allowing Ukraine to replace aging Soviet guns such as the Bohdana-B, D-20, and M-46 without relying on foreign imports. Financially, the Bohdana-B offers significant savings. With an estimated unit cost between $1.50 and $2 million, it is markedly more affordable than the $2.50 to $3 million required for each self-propelled Bohdana system. This cost efficiency stems from repurposing older carriages and omitting the expensive chassis and armor packages that are integral to self-propelled variants. Ukrainian military leaders have emphasized the scalability of this solution. Brigadier General Serhiy Baranov confirmed that local manufacturers are producing more artillery guns than can be outfitted with mobile platforms. Ihor Fedorko of the Ukrainian Council of Defense Industry noted that under optimal conditions, domestic factories could produce up to 40 units monthly. Discussions are also underway about creating a lighter variant by shortening the barrel to 39 calibers for compatibility with platforms like the Bohdana-B, and converting obsolete 130mm guns to NATO calibers, a strategy previously seen in other nations. The Tu-22 Bohdana itself has undergone multiple upgrades since its introduction in 2018. The current Bohdana 4.0 features an armored cabin built by Ukrarmor and is mounted on an 8x8 Czech Tatra Phoenix chassis. It includes a semi-automatic loader and can fire up to 60 kilometers using rocket-assisted rounds. Its proven performance in combat, particularly during the liberation of Snake Island, led to increased production rates, now surpassing 20 units monthly. Both the self-propelled and towed Bohdana variants are now serving across various Ukrainian military branches, including the Army, National Guard, Marines, and intelligence units. Production is decentralized, with manufacturing occurring in both Ukraine and allied EU countries to safeguard continuity and support. Logistics chains are robust, with spare parts available within 24 hours and repair turnaround times averaging just 2 days. The Bohdana-B initiative reflects Ukraine's broader strategy to enhance domestic military production, reduce dependence on foreign suppliers, and adapt swiftly to wartime demands. With expanding contracts and international cooperation, the system marks a significant step in modernizing Ukraine's artillery capabilities while remaining grounded in practical, scalable solutions.